Hello guys, this is Coach Yusuf and today I'm going to show you how to do the push-ups in a right technique and the correct form. Plus I'm going to show you the progression, how we are going to progress from the beginner level to the advanced level. So let's get started. Have you ever tried push-ups? If yes, then let me know in the comments how many push-ups you can do. Push-ups is a very common exercise that helps you build your strength and endurance. So let me show you the very first step in learning your push-ups. So the very first thing that you need at your home, at your gym or anywhere you are, the box or the chair. If you have a chair at your home, then much better. Okay, so how you are going to do the push-up, beginner level push-up is lock your shoulder first, okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how you are going to do the push-up as a beginner. Now I'm going to show you how you will progress your push-up in a very few steps and very easy steps. So move on. Okay guys, so this is the second step, how we are going to progress from the beginner to the advanced level. Okay, so let me clear few things. Okay, few of the guys I have seen, they do the push-ups like this. Oh, no. Like this. So this is not the right way. This is not the correct way. This is not a proper technique. Okay. So keep your shoulders engaged. Okay. Keep your body straight. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is enough for you to give a right pump on your chest. You are a beginner. So now we are moving to the next step, how we are going to progress our push-ups. Okay guys, so now we are into the third step, how to do the full push-up. Okay, so again, like I said, that don't do the push-ups like this. Okay, lock your shoulders properly like this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the third step towards the advanced level. So this is the most common type of push-ups that has been done by everyone. If you want to know that how many push-ups you should be able to do, then stay tuned with us and I'm going to give you the bonus information in the end. Okay guys, so here we are into the last step of our beginner to advanced level of push-ups. So I'm using the stepper. If you don't have the stepper, then you can use anything of this height. So put your feet onto the stepper, lock your shoulders, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it. So these were the 4 steps of doing the push-ups from beginner to the advanced level. Let me know in the comment below that how many push-ups you can do in a one go. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications of our weekly videos. And we are on Instagram too, so you can just go to the Instagram and follow gofit.arwa. Bye bye.